All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. As you can see that it's on. This vehicle is a 2020 Mini Countryman. It's real similar to the 2019s and the regular Mini Coopers and so on. What you're going to want to do is push the start button once, and this is already coming up here. So what you'll do is push the trip button to clear that out. You'll hold it down for a few seconds, approximately 35 seconds, until you see that. Then you'll release it, then you'll hold it down again. Then you'll release it and you'll hold it down again when it says reset, and as you can see, it's resetting, and it's been reset. And like I've always said in my other videos, this is for somebody who may do their own oil change, although BMW kind of frowns upon that. Or if you take it somewhere that is authorized to do it, maybe you got it used, it's no longer under warranty, that is how you reset it.